Hi viewers, today we are going to see what happening when I am in my farm, how to spend my valuable time along with my pets. Zodi, she came 2 years before. She is Bison. He is a very capriced person. Uh, he is Lakshmi. He is very fabulous girl. He first time I saw, he is very shy type. Now he is along with me. Very enjoying moment. He has a one cute daughter. She's name is Dhanalakshmi. He is also very cute and funny. Watch how my outside of the farm looking, and this is me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take